Hindi man araw-araw na nakangiti. Ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi.
So, love. Hi! Oh my God. First, congratulations. Congratulations on making this extremely memorable day in our lives possible. We've known each other for 9 years and have been together for 8 years. Dati, ini-imagine lang natin itong araw na to. Iniisip natin kung saan at paano natin magagawa considering our schedule, our distance, and our resources. Pero God is really great kasi He guided us together to reach this precious day.
Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man.
As I sit down to write this letter, di ko alam saan ako magsisimula at anong mararamdaman ko para makabuo ako ng mga letra at sulat. Yet, I'll try my best to express the depths of my feelings for you, my soon-to-be wife. From the moment I say I love you, I knew there was something extraordinary about you. Your patience, kindness, unwavering support have enriched my life in ways I never thought possible.
Ikaw ang paborito kong desisyon at pag napaligiran ang ingay at ang gulo.
Whenever I felt sad and stressed, you always cheer me up and push me, even in the hardest way. And you never get tired of reminding me that everything will be okay. Napakadaming bagay akong minamahal at patuloy na mamahalin sa'yo. Pero what I really appreciate the most is your patience and understanding. Sa napakadaming beses na hindi tayo nagkasundo, mas pinipili mong maging kalmado at magpasensya. Sa mga panahong hindi ako kamahal-mahal, pinipili mo pa rin akong mahalin.
Kung maging sa'yo, ulit-ulitin man.
You inspire me to be a better man, to reach for the stars, and to cherish every moment we share together. With each passing days, my love for you grows deeper and more profound. As we embark on the journey towards marriage, the excitement, anticipation for the future await us, to laugh together, to cry together, and to weather whatever storm may come on our way. I promise to love you fiercely, to support you unconditionally, and to cherish you for all the days of my life. With you by my side, I knew that anything is possible.
Palagi.
The most important decision you will make during your lifetime is choosing a spouse. To find your match, you need to talk to God, the best matchmaker of all. Pray to God to bring the right person into your life.
Di man araw-araw na nakangiti, at ilang beses na rin tayong humihindi. Di na mapilang ang ating mga tampuhan, away bati natin di na malayan.
Kaya nga meron tayong kasibihan dito sa Batangas na yung pag-aasawa ay hindi katulad ng mainit na kanin at pag sinubo at napaso ay pwede mong iwa. Kaya nagpakasal na, dapat panindigan nyo yan. Walang ayawan. So, Ryan, sigurado ka na bang si Ana Francesca ang gusto makasama ng habang buhay sa hirap at ginhawa? Sigurado na. Ikaw naman, Ana Francesca, sigurado ka na bang si Ryan James ang gusto makasama ng habang buhay sa hirap at ginhawa? Sigurado na. So, pareho silang sigurado na, di ba?
Mong iyo ako.
I promise to be your partner in every sense of the word, to be faithful and loyal, to always strive to make you happy, to happy with you. I have found my home, my love, my best friend. I vow to be patient and understanding, to listen to you with empathy and compassion, and always strive to be the best partner I can be. I love you more than words can express, and I will spend the rest of my days showing you just how much meant to me. I love you, love, and I choose you now and forever, today and always, palagi.
Alam kong di ako magaling sa bagay na to. Pero sa mga panahong nagugutom ka, andito ako para ipagluto ka. Mahal, palagi mong tatandaan, anumang pagsubok ang dumaan, mananatili ako, ikaw, tayo hanggang dulo. Pangakong sasamahan ka sa pagtanda. Ikaw ang palagi kong mamahalin, ikaw ang para sa akin. Ako ay para sa'yo, ako ay iyo. Ang pagmamahal ko'y sa'yo'y di kukupas. Pahahalagahan ka at kailan may di susukuan. Mahal, walang iba, sapagkat ikaw lang ay sapat na. Ikaw na ang panghabang buhay kong makakasama. Mahal na mahal kita.
Pagpapalit ngiti mo sa mundo.
Ryan James and Ana Francesca, by the authority of the Republic of the Philippines as presiding judge of the Municipal Trial Court of Cuenca, Batangas, I now pronounce you, Ryan James and Ana Francesca, husband and wife. Okay, Ryan James, you will now kiss the bride.
Hanggang sa huli, palagi pipiliin kong maging sa'yo. Ulit-ulitin man, nais kong malaman mo, iyo ako. Sa pagdating ng ating pilak at ginto, diamante may abutin. Ikaw pa rin aking bituin at tatangi kong dalangin hanggang sa huling siglo. Palagi.